We are celebrating Kababayan Pride on Kababayan today at kaakibat po ng pagdiriwang ang pagpapromote ng galing ng mga Pilipino. Di ba, Jake? Tama ba yun?
Yes, tama ka.
We're talking earlier, if you're just joining us earlier, we talked to Philippine Patrons of the Arts co-founders, and they are committed to promoting the talent of Filipino music and musicians coming from the Philippines, mostly madrigal singers. They are producing a concert this coming February 9th sa Oxnard, California. Yung mga nandyan po sa bandang Ventura County, make sure you don't miss that concert. Songs from the Heart or Songs of the Heart from or by Taharana Men's Chorus. One of them is joining us this afternoon on the show. Jake, tell me about your participation in this concert. So may solo ka ba? Duet ba yan? Or...
Yes, I'm going to have a duet with our very special guest, Annie Nepomuceno.
Yes, kilala namin si Miss Annie.
And we're going to be singing, I don't know if I'm okay to say the song.
Oh, why not? Diba? Para they have something to look forward to.
We're going to be singing How Do You Keep the Music Playing?
Oh, Patty Austin.
It's going to be beautiful, and they will really love the song.
So what's going to happen at the concert? Songs from the Heart. Ano ba to? Puro mga love songs because it's closer to... this is a Valentine's concert, I would assume.
Right. There are love songs and there are also fun songs, you know, and Filipino songs, Tagalog songs, English songs. So they will really enjoy it and love watching the show.
You know, we're familiar with the Taharana Men's Chorus because we've interviewed some of them. Some of them are friends of mine. Of course, si Mike Zuniga, hello.
Yes.
Erwin Andaya and all that. Paano ka naman napasali sa Taharana Men's?
Oh, actually, ang nangyari sa akin was, merong isang kasamahan namin sa Taharana Men's Chorus. We are on the same group na choir then, and then he invited me to audition for Taharana Men's Chorus.
So you're still accepting kung ano ba yan, choir members, ganun ba yan?
Yes, yes. We're still accepting members for our group, and then all they have to do is just call and then or go to online and they will be auditioned.
Right.
Of course,
What's it like to sing for Taharana Men's Chorus? This is a fun bunch. So to me, every time they guest here and every time I hear about them and every time I see them in shows, it feels to me like it's not work.
Actually, yes, you're right. You're very right. It's very fun to be in the Taharana group, and especially like we're like brothers. You know, we laugh at each other, we make jokes.
It's an all-men's group, right?
Right. It's all-men's group, and we sing, you know, in harmony and beautiful songs. So that makes really a difference.
And speaking of singing, speaking of beautiful song, you know, Jake recorded a song for us earlier that we're going to play for you when we return on the show. Beautiful song. That's one of my favorite Filipino songs.
Thank you.
Abangan niyo po yan sa pagbabalik ng Kababayan Today.